All wonderful people, ladies and gentlemen, respected elders, distinguished guests, and all my brothers and sisters. First of all, a Merry Christmas to all of you. And it's really a very big pleasure and blessing for me to stand here today in front of you all people, sharing in the moment of this great occasion called Christmas Day. Well, before taking any steps, I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Ramaiya Alam, and I belong from a Muslim community. But still, I have always been taking interest deeply in exploring the different cultures and traditions and faiths. And this curiosity has made my mind and my soul very beautifully. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's Christmas and the birth date of Jesus Christ, may peace be upon him. But today I want to change our perspective regarding Jesus Christ, may peace be upon him. Ladies and gentlemen, we all see Jesus Christ. Some people consider him as a prophet, some people regard him as God. But ladies and gentlemen, for me, Jesus Christ is not just a prestigious figure in history, but for me, he is a reflective personality, a very great personality who always teach us the lessons of love, faith, and humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, in the era of today, where separation and divisions seems to grow wider, we need to understand what is the real purpose of any religion. If we will observe any religion, we will find that the sole purpose of any religion is to teach us the lessons of love, faith, and humanity. If we will see and if we will go through all the religions, we will find at the summary the crux is only that we need to love faith and we need to be a human, a real human. And ladies and gentlemen, any religion revolves around these three components that are love, faith, and humanity. Love, that is the most powerful force in our life and which brings our heart closer. Faith is the courage to believe in the unseen, and humanity is the light that we spread in such a dark world. Ladies and gentlemen, Jesus Christ, may peace be upon him, has always taught us the lessons of love, peace, faith, and humanity. Jesus Christ is saying, a new commandment I give to you is to love one another. As I have loved you, you also need to love each other. I'll repeat. Jesus Christ is saying, a new commandment I have given to you, that love one another as I have loved you. So you also need to love each other. Ladies and gentlemen, not just religion. If we see any religious book, whether it's the Bible, whether it's the Quran, whether it's the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Vedas, Puranas, anything, any religious book, if we will see, we will find that the crux revolves only from this content. That content is only love, faith, and humanity. Without this, there is nothing in our whole world. We need to believe in ourselves. We need to believe in each and everything. Ladies and gentlemen, personally, I like religious festivals a lot. It's not just because it's a matter of fun and we get pleasure. We just come close to God and we just make people happy and we also become happy. Just not for that, but for the belief that we hold in our heart and soul. It's the belief that we have adored in our heart and soul. Ladies and gentlemen, today Jesus Christ, may peace be upon him, is not physically present in this hall, is not physically present in this world, but still it's the belief which brought us today here. And we are celebrating this such a beautiful festival of Christmas. Ladies and gentlemen, we believe in Jesus Christ. We believe that He is our inspiration. He will guide us, and we have to follow His each and every teaching. Ladies and gentlemen, with this all in heart, I have love in my heart and guide as my path, faith as my guide path, and humanity as my purpose. I would like to end my speech over here. Well, thank you very much for listening to me with such another person, and have a wonderful day. And please pardon me if I have done anything wrong.